Hello my viewers, and welcome to my channel, Peace of God Global Ministry. Once more, thank you very much for the support. Anywhere you are watching my video from, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. God bless you so much, so good. We have been witnessing your support in your subscriptions and the comments, and we are happy you are following up. So I have a special video today which I'm going to air today to enable you again today. This video is mainly for women and men, because men who marries, it becomes a challenge for the family. Most times you see women complain of fibroid, and most of the causes of this fibroid that in this time around, people, the diet, the food our forefathers ate, we are no more taking them now. We depend on all this foreign food, all this chawawa and all the rest of them. But there are some basic food our forefathers ate in those days that forestalled those things in our life. So unfortunately, I'm trying to expose to us today so that this menace of fibroid everywhere, even to young ladies, can come up and people live their normal life. So in this video, I'm going to give you a recipe you are going to use to suppress, if there's anyone in your body, to suppress it or to remove it entirely from your body. It's what I'm going to give you in this video. So there are some ingredients I will give you. All of them will sit in the video. We have this Eden fruit precursor. You get about 5 pieces of that Eden fruit. You wash it very well, cut it very well, cut it into pieces. That is number 1. You get Negro pepper. Igbos call it powder. About 20 sticks of it. 20 of it. You wash it normal and keep it the same way inside the pot. Remember, you have to wash everything and let it be clean. Then you get the Negro pepper 20 and wash it and put it inside the pot. Then get uziza, call it uziza. 3 teaspoons of it, pour it inside. Get like 2 liters of water and a pinch of salt. All these items you gather and put inside the pot and begin to boil them. You boil it very well so that it will change color. When you see it, the colors will change. After you must have finished boiling it to a standard that you can take it. Because you know when the colors change and you see that it's good to go, it's ready for drinking. You bring it down, take a pinch of salt and pour inside it and turn it. Normally you have to drink it when it is hot, but it's not too hot. Allow it to be warm, lukewarm, and you'll be drinking it. You drink it 2 shots in the morning, 2 shots in the evening. We advise you to consecutively take this for these 7 days or 2 weeks, as the case may be. You see changes in your life, in your system. Changes will come. This is a special direction I'm giving you, and people have been coming with good results concerning this recipe. And we have been happy because people have been getting healing from all these directions. This is very powerful, and I encourage you to do it. This particular recipe can also be used, like there are some men and women who have big tummy. They have big tummy, it doubles as a very strong recipe for that, for the treatment of that big tummy in women, especially women. It will help to dissolve the fats inside the tummy, and the tummy will be normal as usual. It also helps in people with irregular menstruation. It helps to correct it greatly, and you see people, their menses will come back as normal as they used to be before, and things will go well for that person. So that's why I was forced to give out this direction. There are some people who are still looking for directions on where they can get this solution. That is why I gave it out, because people have been commenting in our videos. Sir, how can I get solution for my fibroid, all these things? So that's why I tried to share it, so that people who are in those problems can be able to try it and see solution to their problems. And when you have done it and see changes in your system and the thing have worked for you, don't keep it to yourself. Share it to other people so that they will see benefit as you have benefited. Always share our videos. Subscribe to our channel, Peace of God Global Ministry channel and like our videos. Any comments you have given down, we must answer you for more explanation. God bless you. Thank you very much.